Hello everyone, welcome to the live class. Now in this class we will be discussing the predicted topics and questions for the exam paper 2. Now moving to the first topic. Express any number will be given as the product of its prime factors. You must be know that how to find HCF and LCM of a number. Now conversion between numbers and words. This will be of 1 mark, this will be of 2 marks and 2 marks. Conversion like this, if you have to convert we have to write this is 1,27,2,750, or you convert 7 billion into is equal to 7 to okay, these types of question. Then let us move to the next. Now we have product of prime factors, HCF, LCM, this conversion. Now short topic, short exam. The one is standard form. You have to convert into standard in or out of standard form. Then the 100% sureties of surds. We have to solve surds. I will be giving you the example also. Simplify surds like root 20, root 200 minus root 32. Okay, or we can this will be of 2 marks. Then is rationalize the denominator. Likewise, 10 upon root 5 or 1 upon root 3 plus 1, 1 upon root 2 minus 1. This can come in 1 marks. This can come in 2 marks. Now till now, is it clear? If you have any query, you can comment it down. Okay. Then we can have a questions on ratio and proportion. Like 30 is to 90 is to 90 is to 120. If you have to simplify it, this way will be 1 is to 3 is to 4. 4 is simplest form. Then there can be question of upper and lower bounds. Then you will be given a expression to solve, and we have to solve it without calculator only. Wait for a second. I will give you an example also. What expression can become? For example, we have under root 1 into 10 square upon 9. Or any of the expression, rightwise, if they have square root also, 4 power 3 also, that can be solved easily. Well, that can be solved without calculator. Okay. Now next we can have indices. This is very important indices. You must be aware of square root of 16 is 4 or 2 cubed is 8. Fourth power of 16, if there is a fourth power of 16, you can add 2 to 4 into 1 by 4. Then you can solve it. If you have 2 minus 3 into 2 power 4, you must be knowing the rules of indices. We can have any expression, and we will be doing some important questions also. Now we have a recurring fractions. Like 0.17 is there, 0.123 is there, 0.123 whole bar is there. Then we have we will be you must be knowing the square roots of square and square roots of 1 to 15. This is very important. Likewise, if you have square root of 169, so you have no calculator with you, so you must know this is 13. Similarly, 225 is 15. Likewise, you must be knowing the square. 16 square, this is 4. 196 is 14. Likewise, if the question is given, for example, we have 5 square into cube root of 8. So you must be knowing 5 square into cube root of 8. So this is 25 into 2 is 50. These similar type of questions. Now cube roots also. Cube and cube roots. 1 to 15. Cube roots, so I think so 1 to 10 will work. Not go more than 10. Likewise, if we have 4 cube, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, and likewise. Now one more important question type is exact trigonometric ratios. You will be given the expression likewise tan 45 upon sine 60 plus cos 60, or there will be a figure also, like this is 30 degree, you have to find this, and this is given 10 centimeter. This is 45 degree, and you have been given this is 30, 30, or you can say this is 15, and you have to find this. Now, is it clear till now? Please do comment and let me know that is it clear till now? Should we move? and do some important question of these type first, and then we will discuss in the rest syllabus. Let us make this session interactive. Please comment it down. Is it clear or not? Should we do the next questions or not? Now one short question type is also factorize. Let me type that. Factorize the expression. Or simplify. Sometimes they say simplify fully, factorize fully. Now completing the square, likewise we do the one question that you write. As we have one question. If we have a quadratic like this, how you can write it like this: a plus b whole square plus b in this form. Find value of a and b. This is also important type. Now factorize and simplify a rational expression can be there. Likewise, we have x square minus 2x upon x square minus 5x plus 6. Or we can have 3a upon 4 divided by 9a upon 10. Or 2x upon 3 minus 3x minus 5 upon 2. Okay. One more type can be there, like 2 1 by 5 x power 1 by 2 divided by 2 x power minus 2. Now here we have to use the indices also. Then number line inequality is also important topic. Likewise, you are given that minus 3 is less than equal to 3x minus 2 is less than equal to 7. You can represent on the number line as well. Now find the nth term. Nth term of a sequence. You must be knowing that what are the formulas for if we have an AP, GP, any linear, we have a linear, quadratic, cubic, or exponential. Then variation is there, direct proportional or indirect proportional. Directly proportional question is there, indirectly is there. Not indirectly, inverse proportion, sorry. Likewise, F is directly proportional to A, or F is inversely proportional to then differentiation topic can become. Likewise, you have to find any dy by dx is there, dy by dx, stationary points, maximum or minimum, functions can be there. Likewise, fx is given to be 3x plus 5. You have to find f of 1, f inverse x, and f of g of x if g of x is given. Okay, now let's first practice some questions. Now we will be doing question number 26 now. Rest we have done in the previous two videos. Now question number 26. Now what you have to do is you comment down the answers. First solve it and then comment down the answer. Now we will be getting the. Now let us. Now solve the inequality. N plus 7 is less than 5n minus 8. This is of 2 marks. Now try to solve this and write your answer in the comment section. Solve this inequality. N plus 7 is less than 5n minus 8. Okay, has anybody solved this question? Now we have n minus 5n less than equal to minus 8 minus 7. So 4n will be greater than 15 and n will be greater than 15 by 4. This will be 3.75. I hope this question is clear to you. Now moving to the next question. Question number 27. 7, 5, 3, 1 minus 1. Find the next term. A part and B part is find nth term. This is of 2 marks. Now 7, 5, 3, 1 minus 1. Find the next term. Now let us find the difference between the terms. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. This is minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. So difference is minus 2. So here should be minus 3 so that the difference is minus 2. So the next term will be minus 3. Now for the nth term, this is an AP. Formula will be A plus n minus 1d. That is 7 plus 2 n minus 1 into minus 2. 7 plus minus 2n plus 2 or minus 2n plus 9 will be the correct answer. Now I hope this question is clear to you. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 28. Now find area of trapezium. This is not to scale. This is of 4 marks. Now try to find the area of trapezium. Now area of trapezium is given by 1 by 2 a plus b into h. Now h is not given to us. This is 8, this is 12, this will be 8 and this will be 4. So we will be finding this height by using Pythagoras theorem. So h will be height, this height will be 8 square minus 4 square. 64 minus 16, 48. This can be written as 4 root 3. So 1 by 2, 8 plus 12 into 4 root 3. 1 by 2 into 20 into 4 root 3. So this will be 40 root 3. I hope this question is clear to you. Now question number 29. Find the turning point of y is equal to x square plus 4x minus 3 by completing the square. Now this is very important question. Find the turning point by completing the square. Now try to find this answer. What is why? Firstly, you complete the square. y will be equal to x square plus 4x plus 4, and this will be x plus 2 whole square minus 7. So the turning point will be minus 2 and minus 7. Pradeep is saying y is equal to x plus 2 whole square minus 7. Very good, Pradeep. And turning point will be minus 2 and minus 7. Yes, correct answer. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 30. We have x square minus 12x plus a is equal to x plus b whole square. Find value of a and b. This is of 2 marks. Pradeep is asking, will there be Venn diagram, sketching graphs, probability and vectors? Yes, we will be discussing probability now, vectors question also, Venn diagram can be there, sketching graph. Pradeep, what you do is you note one more question for sketch the graph. Meanwhile, we are doing this live, you can sketch this graph. If y is equal to x minus 3, y is equal to 1 by x. This is important. Rest I will be. Now we will be doing the questions of vectors also. Pradeep, you are of which code? Exam is tomorrow? 22 or? Zero 0580 IGCSE paper 2 variant 2. That means 0580 by 22. This is your code 0580 by 22. Paper is on May 2. 0 by 2. This is the code. Yes. Okay. All the very best, Pradeep. Now let us start. Now you solved this question. X plus, and what is the value of a and b? Okay, you haven't solved this question. Now let me solve this. A is -6 and B is 36. Very good. Very good. Now comparing the like terms, we have -12 will be equal to 2. So B value will be -6. So A is B square. So A value will be 36. Now small questions like on the Venn diagram. Sketch A intersection B. This is given A and this is given B. So what we have to sketch A intersection B. This. Now Pradeep, try this question. This is very important. Question number 32. Calculate 0.3 square and give your answer in standard form. Now try to solve this and write your answer in the comment section. Now we know that 0.3 square will be, Pradeep has written 9 to 10 raised to the power -2. Very good, Pradeep. Very good. This will be 0.09. So we have to shift decimal here. So 9 into 10 raised to power -2 will be the correct answer. Now we have V vector -1, 3, and we have U is 2, 5. Now find V minus U and 2V. 2v is minus 26. Okay, correct. Now v minus u. Minus 1 minus 2. 3 minus 5. This will be minus 3 minus 2. This will be the correct answer. Pradeep, is it clear? The first part? Okay, now moving to the next question. Pradeep sir, do we need to memorize trigonometric values of 0? Only you have to remember to 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Do you know the trick to remember? You know how to make the table, Pradeep? Okay. From where you are watching this live? After this question, I will be telling you what trick to remember that table. Okay, from Sri Lanka. Pradeep, I will be telling you the trick after this question. And remember, you have to sketch the graph also. Sketch the graph. Such the graph of y is equal to sin x, y is equal to cos x, y is equal to tan x. You can check in the what is called where we post section. You can check that. I have given the graphs of this in the community tab. You can check. Okay, now anybody else who has solved this question 3125w power 3125 whole power 1 by 5? Now let me solve this. Now 3125 is 5 power 5 w 3125. whole power 1 by 5 and whole power 1 by 5. This will be 5 power 5 1 by 5. This cancels 3 1 2 5 upon 5. This also cancels 6 and 2 and 5. So 5W625 will be the correct answer. Sir, I know 3 is power of 5, but I cannot get it quickly. Okay, you do one thing for this. 3 1 2 5 is there. 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, and we have 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and then we have 5. 5. Now clearly you know 25 is 5 power 3. This will be 1 2 3. Now 5 power 1. So this will be 5 power 5. Now I will be telling you how to trick. Once you get this trick, it won't take any time. But in order to understand trick, you have to see what you do is you write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And divided by 4. And put square root of in there. Now 0 upon 4, square root will be 0 only. So sine 0 will be 0. This will be 1 upon 2. This will be 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2, and this will be 1. Now Pradeep, let me know that till now, is it clear? Should we move forward for sine and cos and tan? Is it clear till now? Let me know in the comment section. What we have to do, you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4, 4, 4, 4 and then put the square root sign. Okay. Pradeep is saying yes. Now from sine, now for the cos, you write from the back. This is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Is it clear now? Till now? Till cos it is clear? Okay. Now the last step is for tan. Now for tan, we know that it is sine theta upon cos theta. So 0 upon 1 is 0. 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 by 2 will be 1 upon root 3. This is 1, this is root 3 and this is not defined. Is it clear? Now, yes, very good, very good. Now, should we move to the next question? Now, question number 36. Two solids are mathematically similar and have volume 81 centimeter cube and 24 centimeter cube. The surface area of the smaller solid is 44 centimeter square. Calculate the surface area of the large solid. This is of 3 marks. This is very important. Okay, now it's time to end this class. I am having an offline class at 6. Now hurry up, do it. Pradeep, have you done this question or not? Now I will be giving you the 2 questions for homework. Pradeep, here we have to need to solve x. 24 upon 81. Yes. Pradeep, scale factor is there, na? So you can find this is the scale factor. This is we have been given volumes. So volume factor will be 81 upon 24. Then we have to find the area, so you can square. I will directly writing the answer. You can solve it easily now. This will be 99 centimeter square. Now question number 37. Find the nth term. -1, 0, 7, 26, 63, so on. And B part will be 24, 12, 6, 3 and 1.5. Their answer will be n minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Then this answer will be 24 1 by 2 power n minus 1. Now question number 38. f of x is equal to x cube plus 1. Find f inverse x. Its answer will be cube root of x minus 1. Question number 39. Sketch y is equal to cos x for 0 less than equal to 360 degree. This is of 2 marks. Question number 40. Simplify 5x square minus 19x plus 12 upon x square minus 9. Sir, where is the part 2? Which part 2 you are asking? The today's part 2 or which part 2 you are asking? Okay, actually we are doing this. This is the third class of today's live. You can see the community tab. Comment your answers and thanks for joining. Part 2 for the predicted paper 2025. Now today I have made 3 live classes also. You can do these questions as well. Pradeep is saying that's it for today, sir. No, Pradeep, today we will be giving having class in the evening as well after in the approximately at 8 or 9. There is one reasoning class and then afterwards. Bharti, correct answer. Five x minus 4 upon x plus 3. Since you evening class, just okay. Bharti, you have just joined. This was the predicted topics and questions for May-June exam. We will be having the reasoning class at around 6:30, and then I will be planning to have the one more class for the predicted questions for IGCSE students. Kasin, you do one thing. You see all. Have you seen all the 3 class of today's? We have 2 live class today. No, sir, I was writing my chemistry paper 4. I came home right now. I will sit and watch the previous videos. Okay, okay. Pradeep is saying thank you, will join at 6:30. Pradeep, your class is not at 6:30, dear. That is like a reasoning class.